Exploring the seasons, nature's changes. Max explored the colorful fields of spring, where tulips and daffodils bloomed and birds chirped in the trees.
I love seeing all the flowers in the field.
In the summer, Amina spent her days relaxing under the shade of tall trees, enjoying the warmth and writing in her notebook.
The sun feels nice, and I love reading in this peaceful park.
Raj admired the beautiful autumn colors as the leaves turned orange, red, and yellow, capturing the beauty with his camera.
These colors are amazing. I can't wait to show my friends the pictures.
In the winter, Max enjoyed building a snow house, using blocks of snow to create something special in the quiet, snowy landscape.
It's fun to build with snow. This is going to be the best snow house.
Amina loved taking walks through the meadow in spring, where the wildflowers painted the fields in every color.
Everything looks so bright and colorful out here.
During the summer, Raj spent time picking fresh fruit from the garden, enjoying the sweet taste of ripe apples.
These apples look delicious. Fresh from the garden is the best.
In autumn, Max loved walking through the park, where the ground was covered with colorful, crunchy leaves.
I love the sound of leaves crunching under my feet.
When winter arrived, Amina enjoyed peaceful moments watching the snowflakes fall from the sky, covering everything in white.
The snow looks so soft and quiet. I love watching it fall.
In spring, Raj enjoyed long walks in the forest, where the sun's rays peeked through the leaves, lighting up the trail.
This sunlight makes everything look so bright and alive.
At the end of summer days, Max enjoyed sitting on the hill to watch the sunset, painting the sky with warm colors.
Summer sunsets are the most beautiful part of the day.
In autumn, Amina had fun jumping into piles of fallen leaves, feeling the cool breeze as they flew around her.
These leaves are so much fun to play in.
Raj found beauty in winter's calm moments, capturing the frost-covered trees reflected in the pond.
Winter is so peaceful. Everything looks like a painting.
Max, Amina, and Raj explored all the seasons, each finding beauty in nature's changes throughout the year.
We had so much fun discovering the different seasons together.